Welcome back to SQL tutorial. So in PG admin, if you don't want to specify the schema name while you're performing a query for a table, then there's a statement that you can use in order to set the destination for that schema that based on which your query can run on. So in other words, you can actually remove the schema name each time that you perform a query. So let me give you an example of that. For instance, if we were to query, for example, for the world indicator table from the public schema, right? In that case, then we may have to put the entire, select everything from, then we have to use the name of the schema as a prefix and then use the table name. So in that case, that would be public, which is the name of the schema, or this the table is located, and the name, and then put the name of the table, which is the world indicator. So what this is going to do is going to query that table uh, using the prefix for the schema. So this is important when you're performing query across multiple schemas or multiple databases. But if you know that you're going to work out of multiple tables or one table from the same schema, then you don't have to use this prefix each time that you perform a query. So what that means is you're going to tell PG admin that hey, yeah, in the future when I run a query, I want you to apply my query to this specific table or to this specific schema. I'm sorry, so that then there's no other schema that you're using. You're only using one schema for that specific database, and that is going to help you not to further complicate your query. And so the statement that I'm talking about is called set. So what you're going to set, and then what you're going to do is you're going to tell PG admin to set um, this specific uh, schema as your future schema each time that you perform a query or any statement. So go ahead and put the name of the schema. So set search path to, and then the name of the schema, and then run it. So this is returned successfully. So what this is telling you is that again, each time that you can omit the schema name in your queries, so the database will automatically search for the table in that specific schema that you assign to it here. So now let's run a select query for everything from the world indicator table. And as you see, we did not use a prefix, and this was running. There you go. Now, PG admin knows what particular schema to look for or to use while performing any queries. Thank you.